Welcome back to the Arcontio Devlog. Arcontio is a colony sim that I'm developing in the last 5 months, something like that. It's a colony sim a bit different from the others. I will explain why. It's a long time that I'm not producing a video, not because I was stopped, but just because I've spent a lot of time to develop a new system, a new decision system for the NPC. This model is new now, is enough stable. I think I made some tests, not too much, and it's a modular system. So now you will see not too much, but to introduce other interesting features is just a problem of configuration. So if you're interested in project, you can try to make me suggestions, because I'm really interested in them. So, by the way, let's start with this devlog where I will try to explain the decision system of these little babies. This is the first important layer of the mind of the NPCs, because I've thought that the NPC needs more layer, like an onion, and every layer works in in a scale from the low to the highest level of problems. This decision system works in the lowest side of this. This system, I've called it MBQD plus J. That simply means memory, belief, query, decision system plus a job. And that is just because I've created these systems on these columns. So let's start with a small map, a small debug map, this one. And I will insert some food, something like that. Okay, now it's paused. Okay, first of all, the NPC. This colony sim is quite different from other colony sims because the simulation does nothing. I try to explain this. The world does nothing, and all the things are made by the single NPC minds. So we have a lot of minds working together, but the world just does the simplest things like temperature, wind, rain, day, night, something like that. So in this colony sim, the NPCs are not puppet of a big brain of the simulator, but we have a lot of small brains that works one against the others, or one with the others. It depends in the relationship between NPC. So the NPC is this one now, and this is food. Okay, the NPC owns like a DNA profile that are like some characteristics, and these characteristics are for this NPC. Every NPC owns different and DNAs, so they are a bit different, and these the differences helps to produce different actions in the decision system. So first, okay, second, first is the DNA, second are the needs, this one. The needs are like simple needs or more complicated needs. Now the NPC owns just 8 needs. They are like basic and not so basic needs. At the end, it will there will be a lot more. The needs changes during the simulation, so every change stimulates the NPC to produce some decision and jobs and actions to improve the needs. Now this simulation is a debug simulation, so the needs decay really fast. It's not real, it's just for the video and for the bug. So let's start. You will see the NPC. Let's open it. Okay, what you see in blank is the precision system. The precision system is like just what the NPC sees around him. The precision system is like a cone in 4 directions. It depends in where the NPC is faced, and the precision system collects memory of everything the NPC sees. For example, in this little room, the NPC sees just an object, a food stock. So the memory spots. There's an object spotted. This one. Every memory trace has some qualities, and some qualities that are important for us is the intensity and reliability. Intensity means like if I watch an object many times, okay, this object is for sure there. If I see an object just one time, it can be wrong, it can be moved, so it's not like a memory trace so useful for me. This is because the memory slots for the NPC are not infinite, so we need a decay system, and the decay system make disappear the memory slots. They are like not used anymore, or they are completely false, because if the NPC sees an object here, then the NPC walk outside the room. I despawn this stock, and then the NPC come back in his mind. He supposed that food was there, but the food is not there, so he worked enough. He worked in a wrong memory trace, and then when he watch again in the room and sees that there's no food anymore, this memory trace is considered false, so it's cancelled. Memories are collected in belief. Belief are these. Sorry, a bit of these are in Italian because I'm Italian, so I need to use for the Italian language. But these are the current belief. So we have just one current belief, and this is about the food spotted. The status means okay, this food is still here, is okay. I see him, I sees it, and is not disappear. The confidence means I've seen it not so far, because if I see an object a lot far from me, the object can be wrong because I've seen something wrong. I introduced this system because I need to. I need that NPC works on wrong memories. So I've seen something that is not real. For example, I've seen NPC called Andrew that steals something. So I've seen it. It was this process was far from me. So I'm not sure that this is Andrew. It can be Andrew or Matthew. I'm not sure. To simulate this, I've introduced the confidence. That means how much far is the object that I've seen. The freshness means okay, last time I've seen it, or many times, or not only last time, but for how long I've seen it. Longer means fresher, and I've seen it just one thing a long time ago means the freshness is like almost zero. Then what happens? I want to show you this with an example or impose. Okay, you see the anger is going down. Stop it. What happened? The NPC reacts to the mostly to the needs, and also make decision every an amount of time. I try to explain this. If I have a critical need, this trigger me a decision now. If I have nothing to do, I can make other decisions that are not so critical, so I can watch around, go around, rest, play a game, something like that. Now, as I said before, the needs are really fast because I need to check everything. So when something happens, the decision system make some candidates of action of intent. We have many intents. In this time we have search food and eat known food. The list of these now is not so big. I have just 4 or 5 actions, but it will be really bigger, because I just need to produce them on a config file. They are scripted, so I can make a lot more, because they use like basic stuff that is just combined one each other. So when the NPC needs to make a decision, he tries to make more decisions, and then these decisions are like in a championship where there's only one winner. The championship of the decisions is made like with a confront of scores, and these scores are made combining a lot of stuff that is mostly taken from DNA, like preference affinity, and there the score is combined between DNA stuff and urgency stuff. So if I need to eat a lot. This need is critical. Everything about eating will be more important. So introduce a very big bonus in the score producing, and other stuff. So now we had like 2 decisions, and one was like eat known food. I know food, yes, because I've seen an object that is food. So this means something. It's not like so simple. I try to explain it. I'm not watching. I'm not. The NPC knows that there's food because this intent made a query on the belief So in the belief there's a memory about food, yes, but this memory can be wrong, as I said before. So I can make a decision on something that is not updated. For example, the example I said before, and now I will show you. And so I can make a wrong decision because I think that there's food in this room. I enter the room, but there's nothing, and say, oh no, I make the wrong decision. The other decision is like just search food. So I have no any memory trace about food, so I need to find this. Now the winner is eat known food. Vincitore means winner, and this is because in my memory trace of the NPC we have the food. So when a decision is made, it becomes a job. Job is made of is a list of is a scripted list by now, because make something more complex now is very difficult, not for me but for the PC, because the CPU stress level will be explosive. So it's composed of is a scripted list of actions. These actions are called or steps or running action. Steps is like an action that lasts just one tick. Running action is something that lasts more than this. In this case, eat known food is composed by two things. First, a running action that is move to the food, and the other step is eat food. Eat food lasts just one tick. Move to the food lasts. It depends on how far is the food. Now it will try to go there. Now we are in the move to object. Sorry, we are in the move to running action. This is the job. Is running. Blah blah blah, and this step move to food, blah blah blah, payload, results, running, not failure, reason. Okay, so it's just running. Now instead of on pause, I will move like just some ticks, 10 ticks, 10 steps. So click it done. The need is now okay, is happy. The job is finished, and everything was right. Now the NPC doesn't need to eat. So I spawn another food like this. I spawn this just to make him move outside the room like this. Now, next time he will be younger, it will. As you see, you can see that the other now for the bug mode, the other needs are not that they don't produce any intent, and they stay like that. We don't care about them, just the hanger. So when the hanger go down, click OK. I've seen this food. It will obviously try to eat this food. Okay, now you can see he can see anything. So okay, search for food. Okay, now it's trying to search food. Yes. Okay, the job is search food, because he didn't see this because it was on the door. So now it will find the food. Okay, now I do like that. I put a food here. Oh, he's super hungry, always hungry. I put food here and a food here. Okay. Okay. Now what's happened? He found food here and then eaten, and he has seen this. But I produce food also here. What's happening? Now we will see two foods, but one is this is the nearest, so it will go here. But in this memory, there will be a memory slot of this object spotted. Let me check. Okay, let me check if everything is okay. So, let's try. Yes. Now, what's happened? I paused. The NPC has eaten the nearest because in this decision you have to choose between two foods, but one is far, is the other no. So now, yeah, it's just know that there's one food stock here, but you can see it directly. As you can see, the white cells means where you can watch. You can see that no, I can see it directly. So this is just a memory. I'm not hungry, but I'm here. So believe, blah blah blah. As you can see, close it. Okay, this food stock is in 32, and this is the belief. I've seen it. Yes, here. Now, what's happened? I erase it. Voila. So the NPC will try to eat it, make a decision to go there because this is in his memory, not in the reality because it doesn't exist anymore, but in the memory there is. So the NPC will try to go there. Let's see if it works because it's in debug mode. Okay, he's going. Let's check. Okay, the winner is no eat known food. Yes, the food is in 32. It's a belief, it's not here. So we will try to go there. Move step by step. Is here. Okay. The eat known food is failed because there was not the food. Yeah. I've eaten, and so the NPC is really hungry. And then it will try for sure to search food around. Okay. Pause. This is the decision system. If you have questions, just write me. I will try to answer every question. If you have suggestion, you are welcome, very welcome. I hope you've seen this and this was useful for you. And what to say? Nothing more. So I will just say bye and see you next time. Bye bye.